The Culinary Project aims to promote migrant and refugees' inclusion through the pairing of food and theater awareness, and the development of friendly educational materials for adult trainers, and creating final performances involving trainers, migrants, refugees, and audiences. But who better to explain to you what the project really represents than the partners themselves?
Bueno, Culinary es como, le tengo muchísimo cariño y se me ocurrió en un momento que la comida era sus objetos más preciados, y el objeto más preciado que tiene todo el mundo es la comida, porque es su identidad, es su infancia, es el cordón umbilical con todo lo que tiene.
Es una oportunidad de dar visibilidad a las cuestiones sociales que pasan los migrantes, las cuestiones más íntimas, como las dificultades, las incertidumbres, los miedos que uno pasa, y de alguna manera para la comunidad europea eso es importante, porque todos nosotros de alguna manera migramos in algún momento della vita.
Il modo che ci aiuta a comunare questi, diciamo, il nostro passato, quello che siamo, la nostra cultura. E perché il teatro? Perché abbiamo messo insieme il teatro? Perché il teatro è un modo anche per esprimere e lavorare con le emozioni. È un progetto particolare perché appunto lavoriamo con l'emozione, una cosa che solitamente nei progetti si fa fatica a fare, perché sono anche molto, diciamo, prodotti di tipo intellettuale.
Last week, the second transnational meeting and third national workshop took place in Zaragoza. During this one, the partners met to discuss the progress of the project and to prepare for the final performance on 12th of June in Forlimpopoli, Italy. They attended 2 workshops related to the Culinary Project, a cooking workshop with the Gambaroo Association at the Fondazione CAI, and a theater workshop with the theater company Fallen from Heaven at the Dance and Theater School of the Municipality of Zaragoza. Both of these workshops were fundamental in enabling the partners to further understand the importance of carrying out projects such as Culinary. In fact, the workshops were based on the 2 pillars on which the project is grounded, which proved to be very important tools for social inclusion and integration. The third day was dedicated to the rehearsals for the final performance. The partners were able to practice their roles on the banks of the Ebro. The day took place in a relaxed and jovial atmosphere. On the last day, the partners had the visit of the director of the association, Gambaroo. This transnational meeting and international workshop was very conclusive and formative for the partners. It allowed to concretize the missions that each one has to complete so that the final performance takes place at best.